Airships. Airships are making a remarkable comeback after nearly a century of absence, and they're more versatile than ever. These multi-purpose flying hubs are revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. They're now used to monitor climate change, offer connectivity in remote areas, and even relay signals directly to mobile devices. The best part? Keeping these blimps aloft is more cost-efficient than building communication towers. From their elevated vantage points, they gather essential data on plant health, soil makeup, and greenhouse gas levels, providing insights for forecasting natural disasters and tackling climate change. These innovations bring a modern twist to a vintage technology, proving that what's old can become new again. Kawasaki's hydrogen-powered motorcycle giant Kawasaki has stunned the world by unveiling its first hydrogen-powered bike. Showcasing it on the legendary Suzuka circuit, this motorcycle demonstrated that green technology can keep up with traditional gasoline engines. While a bit larger to accommodate the specialized engine and fuel tanks, the hydrogen bike marks a leap towards sustainable motorbiking. But the challenge now? Finding places to refuel. As the world catches up, Kawasaki's hydrogen-powered speedster could become a regular on the roads, paving the way for a new generation of eco-friendly riders. Humane's AI Pin. A group of former Apple employees have introduced a new invention that could revolutionize personal tech, the AI Pin. Weighing just 50 grams, this tiny gadget can perform many of the tasks we rely on our smartphones for, such as taking photos, translating text and speech, and answering questions. With a magnet, you can clip it onto your clothes, and it even has a projector to display information on surfaces around you. Controlled by gestures, the AI Pin offers a hands-free, intuitive experience, and it might just be the first true contender to replace the traditional smartphone. Astrobot S1. The Astrobot S1, an advanced domestic robot, is ready for market release, having evolved from its initial prototype. With a more charming appearance and increased capabilities, this robot can clean the house, entertain pets, and even cook. In a promotional video, it was shown making waffles and serving tea, an impressive feat that demonstrates its potential to transform home living. While its popularity in the US and Europe remains to be seen, it's sure to find a fan base among tech enthusiasts who appreciate its abilities and aesthetic appeal. Wave Piston. Wave Piston, a Danish innovation, addresses two major global challenges: water scarcity and renewable energy. This modular system uses wave motion to generate electricity and simultaneously desalinate seawater. It's currently being tested off the coast of Spain and has the potential to disrupt traditional markets for processed oil. As large cable-mounted screens sway with the waves, they harness energy, while powerful pumps send salty seawater to purification facilities on shore. In time, this technology could become a game-changer, providing clean water and energy to coastal communities worldwide. Mogo Pants. Mogo Pants, equipped with motors at the knee joints, make it easier to climb stairs and even scale mountains. Made from ultralight carbon fiber, these pants reduce strain on muscles and activate instantly when support is needed. With over 3 hours of battery life, they're perfect for extended hikes. Imagine your grandma outpacing you on a trail. As activewear, they're both stylish and functional, making strenuous activities accessible for people of all ages and abilities. Solar X1. Solar X1, a large drone designed to resemble an airplane, is a breakthrough in aerial technology. Fitted with solar panels on its expansive wings, this drone charges its batteries using sunlight, significantly boosting its airtime. It can also transmit cellular signals, monitor environmental changes, and even work in tandem with other drones, all while requiring minimal human supervision. This versatile drone is an excellent addition to any business or utility company looking to upgrade their tech arsenal. Vayu One. The Vayu One robot combines advanced AI with practical delivery capabilities. It follows store staff, collects items, and navigates city streets autonomously. This delivery bot, equipped with a touchscreen interface, AI, and futuristic design, is ready to hit the road. It doesn't waste time knocking on doors. It simply leaves packages in driveways and moves on. With its sleek design and efficiency, it's set to redefine the delivery landscape in cities across the globe. Morphing wheels. Inspired by the flexibility of liquid droplets, morphing wheels change shape to adapt to various terrains. The elastic honeycomb structure, connected to a central hub, expands and contracts to tackle obstacles effortlessly. During tests with a wheelchair equipped with these wheels, the vehicle navigated over rough, grassy terrains with ease. This technology could soon make its way into SUVs, enhancing off-road capabilities and transforming our driving experience. Smallest remote-controlled robot. The smallest remote-controlled robot in the world, measuring less than zero point 0.5 millimeters in length, resembles a tiny crab and can bend, twist, crawl, and jump. Designed for surgical procedures, it has the potential to assist in tasks like removing tumors or clearing blocked arteries. Made from shape memory alloys and controlled by lasers, these tiny medical assistants could soon become indispensable tools in operating rooms around the globe. Solar water solutions. Solar water solutions is making fresh water accessible in regions where it's scarce. Operating almost entirely off the grid, this system generates its own electricity using solar panels. The compact desalination units fit into a single container, requiring minimal space. The company has already made an impact by helping a hospital in Madagascar and farms in the Caribbean, demonstrating the effectiveness of this sustainable solution. Spacetop. Say goodbye to traditional monitors. The Spacetop, a new AR laptop, replaces the screen with augmented reality glasses that can project multiple virtual screens. With powerful hardware under the hood, the Spacetop lets users multitask like never before, making it perfect for office workers. Its portability and innovation set it apart from conventional laptops, giving users a new way to interact with digital content. Alakai Technologies. Sky, a new vehicle from Alakai Technologies, isn't a car or helicopter, but a passenger air taxi powered by liquid hydrogen. Capable of reaching speeds of 185 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 240 kilometers, Sky's environmentally friendly design offers a new way to travel short distances. Triple redundant systems ensure safety, and in the event of an emergency, Sky's parachute system can bring it safely to the ground. With its autonomous capabilities, Sky might be the commuter vehicle of the future. Xiaomi Smart Factories. Xiaomi's smart factories have achieved an incredible feat, producing smartphones entirely without human intervention. With a massive capacity of over 10 million devices per year, the Changping factory sets a new standard for efficiency and innovation. Robots handle everything from assembly to quality testing. It's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where humans might not be needed on the production floor at all. UD Cap VR Glove. The UD Cap VR Glove transforms how gamers interact with virtual worlds. This glove covers all 15 finger joints and provides precise motion tracking and haptic feedback. Made from lightweight, breathable fabric, it's also washable with detachable electronic parts. Whether you're solving puzzles or engaging in intense VR battles, the UDCAP brings a new level of realism to your gaming experience.